Alright. How long has it been? Actually, hold up. That's not how you're supposed to do it. It has been since May 30th. Alright. Awesome. So, what I want to do... Oh, this is pointing at a weird angle, isn't it? What I want to do today is I want to use this dude. I wrote some programs for him, and I want to hack my computer with it. Maybe not like steal my own information or anything, maybe. I do have a program that does that to myself. But I want there is already a program that I have written that I would like to fix and refine. Let me see. Oh, I need my phone. Hold up. There we go. Oh, this is the wrong account. God. Hold up. I know what I'm doing. Passkey. Yeah. Puppy dog. Is it? Oh, here we go. Scan that. I really should have thought of this before I started streaming, huh? There it goes. All right. Hi, puppy. Hi. Puppy pets. Hey, puppy. Okay. We all. Let me see if I can find it. Is it here or is it in the other one? I think... No, that's not it. I think it's this. Yes. Payloads, library. I think it's Expo. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Actually, I'm debating whether or not I should actually do the IP address one on stream. Maybe not. Maybe I will actually do the other one. Hold up. This dude basically does the same thing, except it doesn't use Wi-Fi. That one, the other one, uses Wi-Fi. Let me take the shell off of the duck here. This dude. Oh, never mind. The one I had in it's not the one I thought I had in it. And the timing's off. Is it? Is it? Wait. Is it gonna do it? Don't do it. Stop. I don't even know if you can see this because it opened up a new desktop. Probably not. Let's see though. I can go in here Where's it? There we go. There it is. And these are my saved. This is the information you need to crack a password for Windows. I have the program that does that right here. So I'm just going to delete these and then rename this to resolution prank. Put it in there, then grab the old one, paste it there, and that should, if the timing's probably a little off because it varies depending on how much resources your computer is already using. But I can eject that, which I did, pull it out, put it back in. Let's see if it does it. It should. Oh wait, I need to hit caps lock first. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what the fuck? Why was it typing in Opera? What? Alright, let me try that again. Wait, let me close Opera this time. How about that? How about that? And then caps lock. Yep. For some reason, OBS really didn't like that. I'm very quiet. I know what I'm doing. There we go. Maybe? I've done this before, guys, don't worry. No, not my camera. Filters. Some gain. Let's do that. That should be fine. I don't know why that crashed OBS, but... Oh, fuck, you know what? I bet I was clicked into OBS, that's what it was, and all the keystrokes fucked it up. I bet that's what it was. Alright. Okay. Now caps lock. You're supposed to be typing. How long do I have to be waiting for? I know I don't have to be waiting for that long. Do I have the program in a... Hold on. Let me get the button so it stops. Oh, it's the port. It's the fucking port. Alright. Let's try the other port, huh? Maybe it'll work better. It's worked all the other times I've done it. There we go. Okay. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. Now it should be saving all of my shit to the, to itself. It's gonna be a little laggy because they're core system files. There they are. Yeah, it's still copying them over, that's why it's so laggy. but it opens up a new PowerShell script that runs in the background and copies them. The only thing is that it flashes that first PowerShell window for a split second, which preferably I would like to do. But I'm pretty sure this is not helping because it's running off of it's reading and writing and running. Okay, I think it's done now. But this is all the information I could box, right? Yeah. Okay, that's it. Did I accidentally delete it? Yep, I sure did. Well, I don't have Kali Linux as a VM on here anymore because I accidentally deleted it while I was cleaning up my desktop. Uh, but yes, let me delete these. Yes. They're still writing, aren't they? They probably are. I'm gonna break my computer doing this shit. But like on a normal system, when it's done, it would spam. Oh, you can see. It would spam caps lock, so you know it's done. Actually, do I have? Hold on, I'm all over the place. Let me. You can go. Yes, I would like to permanently delete that. Let me rename you to password stealer. Yep. Then make a new file or folder, excuse me. Do that, and do that. Hey, hello. Oh, it copied it. I don't want you to copy, I just want you to go away. Okay. Go away. Fresh start. I can get all this shit off my desk. Ugh. Either. Go away. I don't have chat up. That might be a good idea. Is someone here? Someone is here. Sorry, guys. Hold up. Hey. Wi-Fi salesman. He gave me his card. Don't want it. It's for Spectrum. I've not had good experiences with Spectrum. He seemed like a nice dude, though. Okay. Now, what was I doing? I forgot. I want to do something wacky and weird. There's already a prank that takes you to a Rickroll. I don't want to do that. I want to do something original. I've done the IP address stealer. I've done the password stealer. I've got a yeah, I've got a let me pull up my GitHub. Maybe give myself some ideas. I know I have this one. Which this one I need to change it from using the semantic virus because it really isn't a virus. After looking more into what a virus actually is, it's not a virus. This thing. Then there's these. So what this does, this one, I made all of these, by the way. With the help from like Stack Exchange and just doing more research, but oh fuck, I lost a piece of thing. Or no. Whatever. But so this follow. It's been a while since I've streamed. Can you tell? This this is the initial one after you plug in the USB. I think it waits for caps lock as well. Does it? Do I have it doing that? It's been a couple years since I've yep, wait for caps on. And then so this runs, and what it does is it opens up a PowerShell window, which it then types all this goodness in and starts this program as a hidden window. And this one just listens for any change in your temp folders because that those are the folders that change the most often. And when it does, it transfers this, or it transfers call, or is it call? Fuck, I can't remember the order. It's been years, man. What? Wait, last year? There's no way that was only last year. Feels like way longer. But long story short, they copy each other cyclically into their own folder of wherever you choose, and you can literally put any other program in there and just change the code up a little bit and move that program wherever. Uh, one of my friends let me try it on him, and I copied over a random smiley face image to some random folder on his computer and told him to find it. Uh, right now, I can't remember if it's the one I have on my PC or the one that I have on GitHub, but one of them I have making a new documents folder, which is just document with an S or without the S. I think I didn't delete it, did I? Might have. But from testing it on myself, yeah, here it is. Before I renamed it. But that's what these do. I think call goes first, then call does pull, and then pull does event, and then event runs again after it's copied over, and shuts it. I think I have it shutting down. I have it also listening for other PowerShell programs and shutting down duplicates of itself because I did have a problem with overusing RAM. I almost bricked my computer so many times overusing RAM. Fuck, man, what do I want to do? That's a good idea. There's Telnet. I could. Hmm. Reverse shell to myself. Is that a thing I can do? Let me try. I'm not showing that on stream just because it's gonna have my IP in it. Yep, that's it. Alright, so can I SSH I do that? Not at port 22, I can't. I'm sure there's an open port, but I don't want to figure that out right now because I have to work later. I don't have much time. I had an idea of what I wanted to do, and then I just didn't do it. So let me do that. And if it shows my IP at, like, I think I have it going into a text file. Let me see. This one. Library. Exfil. Where'd it go? There it is. Let me just copy paste all of this into here. So I think this works as of right now. out file, xfill.txt. Okay, let me change this up a little bit. Attack mode. Yes, storage. Let's do that. Open that. Put that in the duck. Checked. Okay. Now it should grab my IP. Now it should have it in a text file. I'm gonna turn my screen off just in case. Hold on. I really don't want to dox myself, so yonk. Yep. It doesn't have my public IP, is the issue. But it does have... Okay. Okay, I can fix that. It has my private IP, but not my public IP. Yes, I would like to delete the file. Okay, we're back. So this, I just need to change around a little bit. It does everything from ipconfig, so no. Resources. No. What? Why is there no, like... There we go. Okay. Can I search for, like... Is this just a help page? This feels like just a help page. I don't care. This is not anything I need. Get hotfix. Yeah. This isn't anything about ipconfig. I wonder if it's if Stack Exchange is not. This question is not about. Okay. So if I try that, let me run PowerShell real quick. Yoink. Invoke web request parses the content of the web page. Script code in the web page might be run. So, is this should just no? Hold on. Wait, is that a like a local host web page? Can I do that? Oh. Yes, I can, but that's an IPv6, and that's not what I'm looking for. What about it's the IP? Huh. It's only giving me my IPv6, not giving me my IPv4. That is not what I'm looking for at all. Will it do it through command line? No. No, it sure didn't. Okay. I'm not using C#. Wait, is it that easy? Hold up. That's a capital O, a 0. Okay. So that doesn't do it. Because QO is not an argument. Is there a way I could fix that? Arguments. Trace. What's trace do? Is look, this might be easier. Default git hit post put delete trace options merge. Yeah. So what is the trace method? I would like to know, please. Who? Wait. It's too small for me to see on my screen. Hey Ari, what's up? Sorry, I'm just moving my chats around. Here we go. Thanks for the follow, man. Forgot I had noises on for that shit. Not much. That's better than too much. It's I love that the side. Oh, you can't see it, it's behind my camera. I love that the yellow lines are following the scroll wheel because the word's over here. Okay, well this isn't helping. Will it work with curl? Let's see. Your redeemed posture check. I'll check my posture. Let me adjust my numbers, suppose. Ow. There we go. Is that posturous enough for you? Awesome. Does Curl get it? Let's see if Curl gets it. Hey! Curl got it. Alright. So now I can come here and do the curl thing and output that to a file. And the command was curl HTTP IP info .eu/IP. That should do it. Wow. You can go away. I can install you. You're shrimping yourself. Sit up, boy. Sit up straight. You know what I mean. I use I'm trying to do that as a gender neutral term. But anywho, why did I take that over there? Put it in the ducky. Ducky. Replace. And then eject. Pull it out. Oh, I need to. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I need to make it. Oh god, I hit F11. Stop it. Let's do delay. Let's do 750. And then. I think that should be good. Alright. Failed to compile. What you mean? Why is it failing to compile? It didn't fail to compile before. What changed now? What do you want? Unexpected symbol false? What do you mean? That's the. Huh? Optimal encoding used. Sure, sure. Generate. Okay, there's no problems now. I love technology. Delete the old one. Rename the new one. And then put the new one in the duck. Come here. Replace. You can fuck up. Egypt. Yoink. And in you go. Okay. So now, theoretically, all of that stuff should be... You stop. All of that stuff should be in the duck. Let me blank my... Let me not accidentally show my IP on stream. Let me not do that. How about that? Let me do that and see if it actually got it. Yep. Yep, it sure did. Got my public IP. So I should change that and then make a merge request. Guess I would like to delete that. Okay. I think I made this before I knew the difference between a public and a private IP. You... Okay, sure. There we go. I think I had another one in here I was working on, but I don't remember anything about it. Might be a prank one. Was it a prank one? Did I ever commit that? It would be in the R's. Here it is. This one does it too fast, and it's gonna bork up my stream, so I'm just not gonna bother with it. Man, I used to have so many ideas as to what to do with this. But, like, I just started streaming, and now I'm just kind of blanking. Where'd my water go? I could totally try and mod my laptop. Or not my laptop, my Chromebook. Do I want to do that today, though, is the question. I have a hard drive that I need to reformat because I wiped it and now it's not functional. Shouldn't be too bad. I think I should just be able to plug it into where my current SSD is plugged into right now, and the SATA ports, and then format it through my computer. But I'd have to take my computer off. I'm not really wanting to do that right now. Actually, I haven't been on GitHub in like forever. Let me just go through my repositories. Huh. I remember making this though. So I literally just wanted to see if I could make Ride the Bus from Schedule 1. I was like, why not? I'll make a simple card game. I think I made that one on stream actually. So if you wanna go see that, I can pull up the video, and you can go see that. Not that far, it ain't. Where it at? I'm wearing glasses in the thumbnail. Where is it? That's not it. Here it is. 1 year ago. I'll put the link in the chat because yes. Both. Did I fix that? God, I forgot how long I'd spent on this. Jesus, I can. I need to use for loops more often. That's what I need to do. It's for loops instead of if with. Well, with I kind of need. If, while, and then statements. There's definitely more I could do. Oh yeah. I forgot when I took statistics, I just had stuff I wanted to experiment with. I wonder. I'm gonna download this and run it. I wonder if it still works. Oh, you know what I definitely could do? I could fix one of the programs I've been meaning to fix for a while now. I trusted it. Go away. Just let me run it, please. Thank you. Something went wrong for IntelliCode. That's cool. Cool. Yeah, please run it. Okay, it does work. The reason the iteration counter up here is so high is because I have it running a simulate. I believe, if I remember correctly, I could just read the code, but I don't want to take the time to do that because I'm speaking. What the idea behind it is that I have this random poem that I took off of poems.org or some shit like that. And then I have all of these as well. What are these? Why are these here? What was the reasoning behind that? I can't remember what I was on when I did this, bro. Sure. But I have it taking from this and it's going through trying to generate this with it, and this is how many times it's trying to do that. And it should theoretically stop when that happens. Yeah. But I think I calculated it at one point. I don't remember what the odds are of it doing that are. Obviously pretty low if it's already at 2 billion, but it is what it is. So I want to fix that one that I was talking about. Where's it at? This dude right here that is so fucking janky. It's so bad. I just want to fix it. The idea behind this one is that I was trying to hack myself, right? That's how I normally learn stuff about hacking is I hack myself. And I could not get any of the programs that I could find to crack my password. And it's not even a really complex password. They couldn't generate it from like personal information about me. They couldn't, whatever. So I was like, fuck it. Why not make my own? Um, and what this is supposed to do is take. Hold up. I need to go blank because I don't know what is it, if my IP's in text editor. Give me a minute. Notepad. Oh, Skyrim information. Let's just close them all. Don't save. Okay. Okay. Yep. Oh my god, how many fucking tabs do I have open? What? Sure, keep. Don't save. Whatever. Don't save. Don't save. Sure. 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 Don't save. Cool. Now that all of those are gone. The idea is that it would take, excuse me, is that it would take something like this, and then something like this, and combine them in a new file in every different combination it could think of. So like cat chair would be the first one, and the second one would be chair cat. And then I need to fix it so you can do more than 2 combinations, so it does like all of them. So I think I need to do a for loop and just do it for all of the, I think it would be commas. I would have to do it for every comma plus 1 because there would be no comma at the end. Oh, all right, cool. Yeah, stay however long, man. Feel free to chat. I'm just doing shit. Let's see, and then the next one would be dog chair, and then bear dog, something like that. Because for whatever reason, I had the idea because the default password for most Wi-Fi providers is something like a verb, a simple verb, and then a simple noun, and then 3 numbers. That's the basis. So why don't we try that? No. New file. Python file, sure. Select the language. Yes. Do not show. Go away. Are my extensions out of date? I bet they are. Deprecated extensions. Oh, IntelliCode is deprecated? I didn't even know I had IntelliCode. Okay, whatever. I don't like AI auto completed shit anyway. So, first order of business is it's double. Wait, it's been so long since I've coded with Python. Yeah, that is comments. That's what I thought. Why is it not changing color? Shut up! Why are you here? Why are you here? Go away! No! Never! Stop! Never! I don't want you. Fuck off. Thank you. Okay. So variables. Then functions. Then are you? It's still autofilling. Man, Microsoft, what are you doing? Just let me do my thing, man. All right. So the variables are gonna be the files. So with open, oh my god, why? Why? I don't want suggestions. Go away. I want to do this myself, please. Can I? Oh my god. Hold on. I'm just gonna. Suggestions. There's a suggestions. Edit. Settings. Suggestions. None. Please. I would like none. None suggestions. Off. Never. We good? We good? You gonna stop now? Can you like is it why I just want AI not to be integrated into everything, man. Come on. Just never. Please. Just let me suggest. Okay. It's in user interface? Is it seriously? Gah. Fine, whatever, it's fine. Okay. Why not? I'll just... I just want to do it myself, but whatever. Let's see, I need to define cool. Yeah, I guess I should say first and second desired. Okay. That would be down here. I did not mean to autocomplete that, but is that good? That's a terrible naming system. File 1, File 2. I know it's a little hypocritical, but at least, like, it's longer, less easy to fuck up. This one. I'll just, it'll overwrite itself, it's fine. Why did it autocomplete the rest of this? Stop. Like, stop. You don't know what I want. You're not helping. This is not helping. Stop. I don't want you to fix it. I don't want you to explain it. I want you to go away. Please. Just so irritating. I don't like this song very much anymore. My mouse is moving slowly. I want the explanation up here. Cool. Yep, does that, does that, does that. Why would I want to do that? So dot read. Sure. I need to pull up the Python docs, is what I ought to do. File.read, here we go. Yeah, file.read, retrieve up to the size data from the file. As convenience of size is unspecified, or -1, retrieve all data available. Okay. Then I believe I can have Python make its own file to output to, unless I need to make a new one, which is possible. The input file, no, input underscore, sure, why not? We can do it like that, whatever. I would like these to be more spaced out though. Alright. And then we can do for in input file first contents. That's. I'm not great with for loops, so we'll see. For I in input file first contents, we will take. Oh shit, no, I need to take the individual lines, don't I? Would it be better if I did this as a CSV? Is there a library for a CSV? Probably is. Okay, hold on. Maybe this will answer my question. I know how to spell. Why is it playing like all of the songs that I listened to in middle school?
Listen to this track, bitch.
This one's good. Okay. I don't want it to be as loud as my voice, though. Oh, I need to set aside more time to do this. I also need to brush up on Python. So we can just do. How do I do it in one of my GitHub? Actually, how do I do that? Whatever. Okay, error message, error message. File.readlines. File.readlines. Sure, sure. It's to changeable? No. What was I doing right here? If the length of the editor is longer than the length of the input editor, then length equals the length of the editor. What was I smoking when I did this? Oh no! Print input placeholder. What? So, I could just run it, but I don't think it'll work too well. Word 1 is... Okay, hold on. Here's how I did the words. Word 1 equals string input edit -4. Edit. Word length 1, word length 2. Where is word length 1 and 2? It's just 0 and 1. Okay. So I need a way to find the word length without manually doing the word length. All right, let's get creative here. I could give it a dictionary. That kind of defeats the purpose. Make the program needlessly big. Can I have it do until new line? Because they're separated by new lines. Let you a little bit higher. There we go. There's several rays. Okay. So if I were to say, do this, that's not it. Backslash. Oh wait, no. That's for language. It's this. There we go. Now it's all the comments. So if I were to say, with open input file. Actually, hold on. I'll just do input file first. As whatever. Okay, so you fuck off right there. Yep. Then print. And actually, I need to read it first, huh? So it would be input file first dot read lines is what I'm looking for. Okay. So this doesn't matter, so I can put that in a comment. And then in the same place this is, let me save it. Not to downloads. Let me save it to desktop, make a new folder. Put it in that one. And save. So now, if I go to desktop, I can do that. Select folder. Open new. Add a new file called input.txt. Then I can put whatever, cat, dog, bear, fucking night. Alright. And this will tell me what it sees when it does that. So let me do that. Bam, Python debugger, Python file. Alright. Input dot text. So that's how it sees it. Okay. That's very important. I need to go to the bathroom and then discuss how it's important.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying. But I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Take a look in the mirror, what do you see? Do you see it clearer, or are you deceived in what you believe? 'Cause I'm only human after all, and you're only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Some people got the real problems. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve them. Lord heavens above, I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me. Don't ask my opinion, don't ask me to lie, and beg for forgiveness for making you cry. For making you cry. 'Cause I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put
Man, I'm so happy to mess with Python again. Oh my god, I hit things. Oh, there's quotes everywhere. Why did I put my PC on my bed? On my laptop, not my PC. Okay. Alright. Alright. So, the reason this is important down here, I don't even know if you can see that, if it'll show up on stream because it's too high of a resolution. But it's everything that I typed in there, plus that \n. And that \n is important because that is how it reads new lines. So if I were to, say, replace this with, we'll just do hello, and then \n world. That, run it again. This doesn't, actually it does kind of matter because, no, yeah, it does matter because if I don't do it right, that'll return an error, so input.text, right there. So it does it as a new line. So what I can do, or I could do it as an array. If I did it as, is there a toArray command? Hold on. Input. It's been so long since I've done Python, so I can do this again. Oh my god. So, input file first contents dot. Is there a way to turn it into an array? Doesn't look like it. But so I need that. I do actually need that, but I need it as read lines instead of read. For I and input. Okay, so what does that return actually? Let me see. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. So for I, alright. Okay, this is why I needed to use for loops more. So if I didn't do that as, okay, if I did it as comma separated, bear, dog, night, so now it's comma separated, how does that return? Let's see. Text. Okay, so it does return this. Okay. But then I come back to the same problem of separating the words. So does it do I as different lines, or is this all just one thing to it? If I did spaces instead of commas, how does it treat it? Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, okay, so you run into the same problem if you do it not separated like that. Print I, so I is that, so it does it all at once. So I want to print, let me do Let's do I, then I is let's print I. See what that does. Probably return an error. Yeah. Can only concatenate. Oh, so it's trying to cat. Okay. That makes sense. So, cat slash. Okay, so it's doing it by the individual words. That's good. So now I just want to isolate the words. So the first, so 0, and then length minus 3. I want to take that out. So I equals I want to stop running this so the error message goes away. So I and then I want this, and I want 1, and then I want length of I minus 3, and that should return each one as its own word, as opposed to having that /n eventually, maybe. No. So okay. So it already treats them as individual words without having the... Really? Alright. So this essentially erases that and that and that. So I don't even need that. So for each I want to do I plus, right? Then that should return all of them combined, right? Like that. So I plus I, but I want to do the second one. So I want to do... So it's doing every other one. Let's do I... There's no way to do the next I, though, because it's always going to be that same one. But, okay, so I think now is time to do new 5. Second input text. Sure. Ari, give me random words. Give me 3 random words. Take out that real quick. Okay, well, I'll pick some random words. Let's do screen, glasses, and just BS. So if I do that, and then do this, and then open input underscore file underscore second. Let's input file second. And then input file second contents. Yep, sure, that's exactly what I was gonna do. I need to uncomment that. No. Yep. Then that'll take that, that'll take this, and then yeah. So this is gonna add them. Okay, I can see what this is gonna do. This is gonna add cat, and then screen. That's what it's gonna do, I bet. But let's try. And then second. Cat, dog, chair, night, cat, dog, chair, night, screen glasses, yes, screen glasses, yes. Okay. So that's yeah, that's essentially what I expected. So I maybe need to nest a new I, but it doesn't need to be I. So I can do for A in input file second contents, then this. So I want I plus A. Alright. Let's see if that does it. Okay, I'm getting there. Cat screen glasses, yes. So I want to do that minus the... What if I don't replace I? What if I do something like return? No, that's already a thing. I'm terrible at naming variables. I have a song I want to play actually. So kind of right here is the right idea where it has night screen, but I think that's because there is no line. There's no blank line before the screen, so there's no \n before it. So it is the \n that I need out of it. So I want I minus the 3, or no, it would be I minus 2. So I, and then 0 to length of I minus 2. And then this I'll just name fucking change this to that. Does that do it?
What happened to the person you used to be? Your words are filled with poison and it's killing me. I can take another second next to you. You make it hard to breathe.
Well, that's interesting. So what if I just do -1 then? Alright. Okay, so there's chair screen, chair yes, chair glasses, chair screen, dog yes. Dog glasses, cat yes, cat, yep. And now this one is from that, so I want to do the same thing here. I want to do 0, and then the length of A, but I don't want that slash in. I don't want that there. Okay. Now, work, please. That's so close. It's like, why is it, when it gets down to this one, that's why. I know why. It's because there's no line after these. That's why. That's so dumb. Yeah, now it should work. Yay! Now I need to do it for numbers and shit. So I need to add... Oh my god, this is gonna be like a never-ending nest if I keep doing it the way I'm doing it. But for now it works. So like, if you had one full of verbs, and then one full of nouns, and then have like a random number generator, which you can do in Python. I might do that another time. I gotta get ready for work soon. But you could use that in different combinations with symbols and different things, because the symbols they'll register strings if you specify them too. But you can see the idea, right? Right? Because most Wi-Fi passwords, they're like, you know, like I said earlier, verb and then a noun. I'm trying to think of an example without giving any of mine away. Like fast car, or 369 or something like that. That probably is a password somewhere, but it's an example. So if I were to put fast in here, and then car in there, and then save them, and then run it again. So all I need is a third file, and then wow, I fucking optimized the shit out of that. Alright. Then like this. Where's fast car? Fast car. Oh, I see. Alright, and then... Yes. Yep, that's what I want. Then I want to do first way. No, I want first way plus second way. I don't want this. You can go away. Yes. Now we should be good. Oh, now it's doing it 3 times. Chair fast, fast chair. That's because it's not comma separated. There we go. So everything with a space to the left of the space is from the first one. So I just need to output those to a file. In that order. So it would do concatenated first way and then concatenated second way, and it would all be, I need it to all be separated. So I need to do concatenated first way plus a new line, and then concatenated second way plus a new line. Kind of. Maybe I only need to do new line for one of them. Try that. Yeah. Only problem is the spaces, but that's alright. Oh, it's the plus, isn't it? Maybe? Oh, it's because there's a comma. The comma puts the space in there. Duh. Cool. There we go. There it is! Screen cat, cat, glasses, glasses, cat, cat, yes, yes, cat, cat, fast, fast, cat, dog, screen. There we go. There we go. And then I need a new nested file, or file, new nested line, with a for loop, and then a third file with number combinations or a number generator. But I'll do that tomorrow, either tomorrow or whenever, because I want to do this again. But, like, this all started with me trying to hack my own password. So, this right here can definitely get my password if I expand upon it, when no other program that I could find could. But, yeah. I will probably commit this to GitHub at some point. If you came to watch, thanks for watching. Where is my face cam? Here we go. If you came to watch, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I had fun. It's been too long since I've done that. And have a lovely day. I'll see you next time.